Hear ye, hear ye. When faced with continual blackouts and never-ending rate increases, among other nefarious rascalities, it becomes necessary for one people to dissolve bands with their power company and to harness the power of the sun, freeing themselves from the oppressive tyranny of big power. I hold these truths to be self-evident, that not all power is created equal, but the sun is superior.
Dad? What are you doing?
I'm, on the phone with the power company.
So, you've gone solar?
That's right. You'll no longer be getting money from me. I'm free of you.